Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Mickey Mouse ice cream cone. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this ice cream cone, we're going to first start by drawing the scoop of ice cream. So I'm going to come right here and draw a really big curve for the top of our ice cream scoop. So just go all the way around. Nice big curve. And then we're just going to bring it around. So however big you want your scoop to be. I'm just going to bring this down. Same level on both sides. Just tuck it in a little bit more. And see here, but right there I'm going to add a line and finish it off. So this is our scoop of ice cream. There. So then from there, let's come and draw the cone. So since we're down here, let's come out right here where we started to go straight and bring out a small curve on both sides. And then let's go ahead and connect that. And then we're going to go one more layer right here. So we're going to come straighter a little bit, just kind of straight on both sides. So everything is pretty even on both sides. And then from there, let's come down, bring in a curve. And connect it once again. And so then another layer. Let's come down even more, come about right here on both sides. And right here we're going to add a slanted line, slightly angled. On the other side we're going to do the same thing, so just add an angle line to create our cone at the bottom. And about right there I'm going to round off the corner a little bit and connect it. There. So we have our basic ice cream scoop and cone in now. Let's go in and put in all the details. So I'm going to come up here first. Well, actually, you know what? Let's start with the ears first. Okay, so in this area right here, I'm just going to draw big ears, a big curve. I'm going to come out right here. Draw Mickey Mouse ear, bring it in, and let's bring in this point about right here. We're going to start the other one. And I'm just going to drag this point across as well, just so I know approximately where to end. So we're going to go up, just like the other side. And we're going to drag this point across, so approximately as high as the other one. And just round it back to your point. And don't worry if it's not exactly the same, it won't be, just as long as it's a little bit proportional, not one too big or too small. So now we have the ears in, let's come right in the center where we draw a cherry on top. So right here, just draw a curve, bring it in, and then right here, another curve where the stem's going to come out, and just draw a stem that comes out, and you can darken the end. There, so we have our nice little cherry in, and then let's come in here and draw the drizzle on our ice cream. So I'm going to come, say about right here. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to go up and down with our drizzle. So it's all up to you. But we want to leave some space right here for your eyes, so don't go too low. So go up and down, and one more and tuck it in. There. And then now let's come and bring this ice cream cone to life. So in the center right here, I'm just going to add a smile right here in the center so I know where my eyes are. So right here I'm just going to add a curve, and then I'm going to come to the side and draw some oval eyes. Because it is a Mickey Mouse ice cream cone, right? So 2 ovals, and then I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, a curved line at the bottom, shade in the top, and lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. To make my eye a little bit bigger. There. Now we have our sweet ice cream cone in and cap off the smile. And I'm just gonna come in here, add a little curve on top of each eye. And now let's add some details at the bottom. So right at the bottom right here, I'm just gonna add, forgot to add a little line. And then we're gonna add 2 small ovals. So you know it's Mickey Mouse ice cream cone, right? And then very lightly going to add some angle lines. So make it look like a cone. So just very lightly, just gonna go right across. And same thing over here. Going this way. And one more. There. And then let's see, last but not least, of sprinkles, of course, almost forgot. So right here at different angles, I'm just going to draw some sprinkles. And of course, you can put as many as you want.
So there, hope you guys love this yummy Disney ice cream cone. And if you guys love to draw desserts, please make sure to check out my desserts playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.